part 2 of the graphing absolute value equations. We're going to go through just a couple more examples. So y equals negative absolute value of 1/2 x minus 8 plus 1. Alright, I've got to factor out this 1/2. So if I factor that out, my 1/2 comes out, leaving me with x minus, what's going to be here is 16, because when I factor out the 1/2, 1/2 times 16 would give me the 8. Okay, so that means my vertex would be 16, 1, and my a value is negative 1/2. That means I would be going down 1 over 2, that's your slope. And my line of symmetry, remember that's x equals h, so x equals 16. Alright, the last thing that we need to do with this section is to be able to look at a graph and make an equation. Let's just do a couple of them real quick. Alright, you're not going to be able to tell as easily on my graph because I don't have a nice grid, but I can kind of help you through it. So there's my vertex, and it's going, from the graph I can see it's going up 1 over 1. So there's my graph. Alright, so let's fill this in, okay? Y equals, alright, it's going upwards, so it's positive. It's going up 1 over 1, so a is 1. So now let's start on the absolute value part. This is my vertex, and this is at 1, negative 2. That means that this value, remember it's going to be opposite, so negative 1 and minus 2. Okay, I plugged in 1 for h, and I plugged in the minus 2 for the k. Let's try another one. Alright, I'm going to fill it in again. First off, it's going down, so that means I'm going to put a negative here. That's going to be my first thing. My a value, you can't tell as well from here, but if I look on my graph that I have, it's down 1 over 1, so that's a 1. Alright, this vertex right here is 2, negative 2. So that means this is going to be a minus 2, and our k is negative 2. Okay? Alright, one more problem and then we're done with this section. Alright, so this one, I'm opening upwards, so that means it's positive, so that's good. Now my a, I'm going up 1 over 2, so that means this is up 1 over 2, 1/2. Absolute value of x, alright, this vertex right here is 0, 2. So this is going to be a 0, so that means I'm just going to have the x, and the k is going to be plus 2. Okay? Alright, that concludes this lesson. If you need any help, feel free to go and talk to any of the other teachers, or you can email me. And our next section will be vertical and horizontal translations of the absolute value equations. Have a good day.